Hey sweeties, I'm back today with another Christmas video. Today we are making some gingerbread reindeer Christmas cookies. And I knew there was something missing last Christmas video. Of course it was my reindeer antlers. So I'm back, more in the Christmas spirit and ready to show you how to make these delicious gingerbread cookies. Let's get into it. So I've already gone ahead and pre-baked my gingerbread shapes. I've got these in a cute reindeer face and a Christmas tree, of course. I'm using cutters today from the Cutter Creator. They're a fantastic small local business in Australia, so I definitely recommend you check out their cutters because they are super cute. As you can see, it's a gorgeous little reindeer face and I can't wait to show you what I'm going to do with this one. I've just got some Bakehouse ready to roll fondant. As always, it's my preferred brand to use. If you'd like, you can also pre-make your own fondant as well. I've just got a chocolate brown today and some green. First, I'm just going to take the brown and give that a light knead. Add some corn flour to the bench. Now we're just going to slowly roll out our fondant until we get to the desired thickness. Once you have the right thickness, you just want to take your shape and cut down firmly. I'm just going to remove the excess to make it easier to see. So it's up to you what you prefer. Some people like to leave the shape out of the cutter and then emboss the stamp onto there. And some like to leave the cutter around the shape and then use that as a guide and gently press in. Just make sure with reindeer ears that you definitely press all over the cutter and the embosser just to get the stamp nice and even. Then you can just gently remove your embosser and remove your cutter. As you can see, we've got this gorgeous little reindeer face. Now we're going to go ahead and roll our Christmas tree. You can obviously do these in any colors you wish. But I'm just going for a traditional green today. I'm just going to go ahead and cut that again. Removing the excess. Oh. Now take the stamp and press that gently all over. Now that we've got them out of the stamps, we're just going to go ahead and stick those onto our gingerbread cookies. Personally, I love gingerbread, but if you prefer vanilla, you can definitely cook just a basic vanilla cookie. Now just gently pick up your icing shapes and put some water or sugar glue on the back to stick them. Now gently just move it into position and make sure it's nice and smooth. Look how gorgeous that looks already without even any decoration. Now today we are gonna have to make Rudolph's friend because I didn't bring any red glitter up here. We're actually gonna paint his nose and his antlers gold, but that's okay. Gold is just as fun as red. I'm using the Edible Art paint in Honey Gold. Just give it a really good shake because the luster can get stuck at the bottom. Now that you've had your arm work out from shaking the paint, we're gonna go ahead with a food safe paintbrush and just dip it in to get a little bit of that gold on the end. And then get yourself comfortable because this can be a painstaking process and you don't want to be having a shaky hand. But you're going to then keep dipping into the paint to get some more on your brush. And we're going to paint that beautiful gold paint onto its antlers and make it nice and shiny. Just like mine. Now I'm going to go ahead and also add some gold paint in his little nose. Now we're going to paint the tree. I like to obviously add a gold star. What's a Christmas tree without a gold star? So I'm going to go in and paint that star. Perfect. Now that we have the gold star on there, I like to just take off some off my brush so I don't have too much paint on there. And I like to just sweep it at the bottom of the tree. Just small amounts of gold is nice. And then I usually go in with my Moorish Blue gold glitter spray. As you all know by now, I love a little bit of glitter for Christmas. And I like to just go in with a really light spray for the trees, not too much. So just a little bit of glitter on the green tree just to give it a nice shine. And there we have it. That's our traditional Christmas cookies. I absolutely love these. They're great for sharing platters on Christmas Day. Everyone will always ask you where you got them from, but you'll be able to tell them that you made them yourself, which makes it even more special. I hope you have a Merry Christmas. If you have any video suggestions, I'd love to see them. Please tag me on Instagram at Caitlin Matheson or pop some comments in the description below. I'd love to hear from you. I will see you next time. Until I see you, stay sweet and Merry Christmas.